I know you are. You're here because you want more out of life. You want to be able to afford the things you want, do the things you love, and give back to the people you care about. I'm here to tell you that it's possible. You can get rich, but it's not going to be easy. It's going to take hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn. So, I'm here today to talk to you about digital dropshipping. Digital dropshipping is a business model where you sell digital products without having to store or ship any physical products. This means that you can start a dropshipping business with very little upfront investment.
Dropshipping is a business model in which an online retailer, the dropshipper, doesn't keep any products in stock. Instead, when a customer places an order, the retailer purchases the items directly from a third-party supplier or manufacturer who then ships the products directly to the customer. This means that the dropshipper never handles the products physically. The key advantage of dropshipping is that it eliminates the need for inventory management and upfront investment in stock. The dropshipper focuses on marketing, customer service, and driving sales, while the supplier takes care of product storage, packaging, and shipping. This model allows entrepreneurs to start an e-commerce business with minimal capital and the flexibility to offer a wide range of products. However, there are some challenges associated with dropshipping. The dropshipper has less control over shipping times, product quality, and inventory management. Profit margins can also be lower due to the costs involved in outsourcing fulfillment. Additionally, since dropshipping has become popular, competition has increased, making it important to find unique products and effective marketing strategies to stand out.